10. A former Oral Roberts University student is speaking out tonight, saying a recent ruling by a federal judge isn't doing enough to protect LGBTQ students. That judge moved last week to dismiss a lawsuit against the Department of Education and certain Christian colleges, claiming their policies against homosexuality go against federal law. 2 News Oklahoma's Samson Tamajani met with that student and walks us through the lawsuit. Samson?
Yeah, Karen, the suit centers around private schools and Title IX, which says institutions can't get federal funding if they discriminate on the basis of sex. Lawyers for dozens of plaintiffs argued schools shouldn't get religious exemptions from Title IX in order to maintain anti-gay policies. But a federal judge ruled there's not enough evidence a religious exemption is discriminatory against LGBTQ+ students. A former ORU student I spoke with disagrees.
While I was at ORU during my junior year, I was reported for homosexual activity, as they say, and ultimately I was called to the dean's office and subjected to conversion therapy-like practices if I didn't want to be expelled.
2021 ORU grad Andrew Hartzler says his experience is similar to more than 40 others named in the case of Elizabeth Hunter et al. Versus the U.S. Department of Education, which includes 3 other former ORU students.
You felt like you had to suppress a part of yourself, and you were actively being preached at, like during chapel, that your sexuality was immorally wrong and that you were encouraged to change that. And if you didn't change that, you were subjected to punishment.
But on January 12th, U.S. District Judge Ann Aiken, a Clinton appointee with a progressive record, dismissed the suit and said the plaintiffs, quote, have not pled factual content that allows the court to draw the reasonable inference that the defendant is liable for the misconduct alleged.
Whether you're queer or straight, you should be able to attend any school that is funded by your tax money.
Lead attorney Paul Carlos Southwick represents the plaintiffs, including Hartzler, and plans to file an appeal. Although Oral Roberts wasn't directly named in the lawsuit, Southwick says their sexual misconduct policy, which prohibits, quote, any homosexual activity, is a classic example.
A lot of students are exposed to discrimination with no accountability and no transparency. And you know what? This generation of students, including this generation of evangelical students, they are not standing for it. And that's why you see so many people like Andrew and others rising up on their campuses, holding protests, arguing to their boards of trustees, saying, we want an inclusive and safe campus for our LGBTQ+ classmates.
So many people don't realize that this is happening right now, and like federal money's being used, the citizens' taxpayers are being used to fund this discrimination, and the government doesn't bat an eye at it, and it needs to stop.
We reached out to Oral Roberts for comment on the legal case's dismissal and to ask if campus policy for LGBTQ+ students could change. But after an email and follow-up phone call over the last 2 days, we didn't hear back. As for what's next, Southwick tells me they're working on an appeal to the 9th District Federal Court of Appeals. Live in studio, Samson Tamajani, 2 News, Oklahoma.
Thank you, Samson. Now, former ORU students tell us they are presented with an honor code to sign, stating they will follow the rules of their university. The rules include things like no drinking and no premarital sex. If they choose not to sign the document, they're not allowed to attend the university.